Hey, what's going on, guys? It's JoJo from All Heroes, and you guys really loved that Obi Senseless spin tutorial I did, I think it was a year ago. So I figured we are due for an update and maybe a more better quality and simplified version of it. So anyway, today we're gonna learn how to Obi or Senseless spin, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, go grab your lightsabers. Let's do this. Okay, so to start off, figure out which hand you're more comfortable with your lightsaber with spinning, whether it's your right or your left, or maybe you're trying to learn both. Just get used to practicing with both. But anyway, get your dominant hand because you want to learn it with your dominant hand first, and then it'll be easier to transition it into your opposite hand, because it's always going to feel weird to do it in this hand, just like trying to throw a ball with your opposite hand, okay? So get your lightsaber, figure out what hand you want to do, and then go ahead and get in this stance like this. Just holding your lightsaber like this. You know what? Let me zoom up the camera for a little bit. So hold your lightsaber like this, next to your side. If you know how to do the spin like this, it's gonna be just like this basic spin, except you're gonna do it slanted to the side so it spins behind you. This, right here, this is step one. Spin is step one. It goes behind you. You can even loosen your grip a little bit. So when I spin it, I kind of open my fingers and let it just roll like that. So get used to feeling that and letting it go behind you. The next step is the scoop. So spin, catch, and then you literally just scoop it behind you. So from this angle, spin, scoop. That is step two. Spin, scoop, and then the third and final step is to pull it and drag it across your waist and then go back to the starting position. So after you spin and scoop, you drag it across your waist and lift it back up. So all together, spin, scoop, drag and pull. 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 Oh yeah, and it just keeps going. It's a senseless spin. And then you can just work on getting it faster and faster and faster until you're comfortable with it. Let me show you what it looks like from the back also. So from the back, spin, scoop, pull. Spin, scoop, pull. Eventually you'll get the rhythm and the pattern and everything, so that's how you do the Obi. I hope this little updated version was better quality and easier to follow along than the last one. So yeah, go practice your Obi spins. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.